Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Today I will tell you the tricks how to find out the derivative of different functions by according different rules. Find the derivative. Firstly, you have to write the formula. Formula is that d by g of x of whole function f or f of x and multiplying with f prime of x means the derivative of the inner function and so on. Let's start. Derivative of x of square. There we have to apply the power rule. Power rule is written as nx n minus 1. Their power is 2. That's why we write n as 2 minus 1 and inner derivative gives 1. So our answer is 2 of x. Similarly, if we take the derivative of constant behind the variable, then the constant is not 0. It comes first from derivative. But when constant is alone, then it becomes 0. Okay. D into 1. 3 is our answer. Similarly, we know that derivative of any constant is 0. Derivative of ln of x is reciprocal of the x. If I have a function other than x, it also be reciprocal, but we have to take inner derivative again. Let's suppose if I had a ln of x square plus 1, then my derivative will be 1 over x square plus 1 and 2 of x. Its inner derivative and its inner derivative is 1. Okay. Now let's see the other one derivative. The derivative of sine 2 of x is sine 2 of x. 2 of x is angle. Angle may be 2 of x, 3 of x. Let's start. Cos of x. X is now 2 of x. Now take the inner derivative, we get 2. Okay. 2 is comes first and x derivative is 1. So 2 comes first. 2 cos 2 of x. Similarly, when we derivate with respect to t, we get 2 ds by dt because s is a variable and t is another variable. Cos x cube derivative gives minus sine x cube and then inner derivative we get 3x square. Okay, and then inner derivative multiplying with it 2 of x. Write it as minus 6 sine cube of x and x cube. By rearranging, I wrote it as, okay, this is the way how to get an inner derivative is 1, okay. The derivative of tan 3 of x is secant square of 3 of x. There is theta which is 3x. Inner derivative is 3 because any constant behind the variable comes first and the variable x derivative is always 1. 3 comes first because you can be confused when it comes after you can multiplying both. No, these terms are, this is first term and this is second one. Okay, this is our answer. Hope you enjoy today's video and get the way how to derive the different values, different functions according to rules. My another video also able to tell you how to take derivatives. So subscribe my channel and watch my channel continuously. Thanks for watching.